By the end of this video, you'll learn about considerations when working in project teams. When developing an AR experience in project teams, communication and organization are critical. To keep the project of your team moving along in a timely manner, communicate who's accountable for the different pieces of the project, and know when your deadlines are for your deliverables. You don't want the project to be held up because you're waiting on someone to complete their part, or someone is waiting on you. When you share what the completed piece of work might look like, you're helping other team members, as many tasks to complete the project are interrelated. Each project that you work on will be different, but that doesn't change the fact that all tasks will need to be completed and accounted for. Team size will vary depending on the specific tasks of the project. There might be a developer who is working by themselves, or a number of developers completing the different tasks and taking on multiple roles for the project. Developers on project teams should divide the work appropriately, chunking similar tasks together to maximize work effort and minimize time, depending on the complexity that needs to be achieved or how quickly the project needs to be built for users. A typical example of this would be two AR developers working together. One developer is handling the technical aspects of the project, including the coding, while the other developer is completing the artwork. Both developers will stay in constant communication with each other and update each other on their own progress. These two developers could take on additional roles within the project. The developer who is working on the artwork could continue and work on the visual shading or scene assembly for the project, and the developer who originally was working on the code could now take on an administrative type role such as producing or project management. While you're developing projects in teams, remember the importance of collaboration, communication, and organization. This will help your entire team in creating and completing the best experience for users.